Welcome to Gateway Lectures. Today we will be dealing a good question in thermodynamics which involves a good fundamental of chemistry. Let us watch. A mole basis analysis of gas mixture yields in the following results. So there is a mole basis analysis done. There is a mixture of gas and they're divided into number of moles. So and the percentage is taken as 12% of CO2 and 4% of oxygen, 82% of nitrogen and 2% of carbon monoxide. Determine the mass kg per mole of mixture for the given composition. So if we take 1 kg mole of the complete mixture, what will be the mass in kg? So for that we'll do a solution in a simple way by a tabular column. So we'll take a solution here, and the contents in the tabular column are constituent. So what is the constituent we have taken, and what is the percentage by mole given? What is that was given in the question? 12%, 4% and things. And what is the mole fraction? So what percentage of the mole number of moles it contain in the complete mixture, and also what is the per mole mass? So what will be the per mole mass? So generally if you consider for CO2, per mole mass will be 44 grams, and also mass in kg per kilomole. So when we consider kilomole, the mass will be in kg. If we consider in mole, the mass will be in grams. So let us move with the question. The constituents first is CO2, and the next is O2, and the next is N2, and the next is carbon monoxide. So CO2 percentage was given as 12, O2 percentage is given as 4, and N2 was 82, and carbon monoxide was 2. And coming back to mole fraction. So mole fraction is nothing but this complete value yields in 100. So mole fraction, you divide each percentage by 100, nothing but 0.12, 0.04, 0.82 and 0.02. And also mole mass. What will be the mole mass? So if you consider 1 mole of carbon dioxide, the mass will be 44 grams. This will be in grams actually. And what is the O2 mass? What is the O2 mass here? If you consider mole mass, if you consider in kilomoles, suppose if you consider per mole, it will be in gram. If you consider kilomole, it will be in kg. So let us consider kilomole here. Since the question was asked to calculate in kilomoles, we'll be doing in kilomoles. So here it will be in kg. So for 1 kilomole, it will be 44 kg of carbon dioxide, and O2 will be 32, oxygen 32 kg, N2 will be 28, and CO will be 28. Now, if we need to calculate mass per kilomole, so we need to multiply this mole fraction into mass. So 0.12 into 44 is 5.28 kg, 0.04 into 32 is 1.28 kg, 0.82 into 28 is 22.96 kg, and similarly 0.02 into 28 is 0.56 kg. And if they are asked, determine the mass per kg mole. So if we consider 1 kg mole of this mixture, whatever the mixture we've got, mixture of these gases, if we consider 1 kg mole, for 1 kg, actually 1 kg per mole, if we consider 1 kilomole of this mixture, then we'll get the value of mass as 5.28 plus 1.28 plus 22.96 plus 0.56, and the total value will be 30.08. It is kg per kilomole actually. So if we consider for 1 kilomole of this mixture, we'll have 30.08 kg will be the mass of this mixture by the composition. Thanks for watching. These questions will be very easy. And similarly, after here we've got this composition, they can also ask to calculate the characteristic gas constant for this. So there also we'll use the mole fraction concept. We'll discuss that type of question later. It is a good basic problems. Thanks for watching.